Introducing the 2019 Dodge Charger. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.